Hello and welcome to this new video in the SQL section. In this video, we will see further data types related to date and time. We already have seen a couple of data types, namely date time and date time 2. Over here, I list you all the data types which fall under the category of date time. So we have date, date time 2, small date time and time. Each one of them differ in the ranges and also in the storage bytes. So quickly, if you go through this table, right, you will understand that the date data type can accept the values from the year 1, Jan 1 through 9999, December 31st. And it takes fixed 3 bytes of space per value. However, with date time, the range is little bit in terms of starting. It starts at a very later date, which is from the year 1753. All right. But the major difference again is that it takes 8 bytes. Similarly, date time 2, it will start again from the year 1, small date from the year 1900, but only until 2079, June the 6th. And the time obviously from 0000 to midnight. Each of them will differ in the storage bytes and the precision as well. So you will be watching me over using these in different examples while creating or casting what we do yet learn, or maybe altering the table as well. All right. So just a short one, good to know. I don't want to just go furthermore because we have already seen a couple of them like date time and date time 2. And we'll continue to use them in the coming videos. See you in the next one.